Dear students, welcome to the DC's Digital Learning. I am Lieutenant M.A. Pathan, Assistant Professor in Mathematics and Associate NCC Officer, Sri Siddheshwar Government First Grade College and PG Studies Center, Nargund. I will be with you for the few sessions of Paper 2, Numerical Methods, and here in session 20, we learn the solution of linear simultaneous equations by Gauss-Jordan method. The recapitulation part contains what we mean by a direct method. A direct methods are those which provides exact solutions for the given system of equations. So you know it from your last session where Gauss elimination method is also a direct method. So now let us see what is a diagonal elements. So in square matrix, the diagonal from upper left to lower right is called principal diagonal or leading diagonal, and the elements are called diagonal elements. So here A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Here A11, A22, A33 are diagonal elements. Now what is a diagonal matrix? A square matrix in which all the elements except the elements in the principal diagonal are zeros is called diagonal matrix. For example, A is equal to A11, 0, 0, 0, A22, 0, 0, 0, A33 is a diagonal matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3 is a diagonal matrix. Now let us see how we can solve the linear simultaneous equation by Gauss-Jordan method. So now this is also a direct method. This method is a modification of Gauss elimination method, where we reduce the matrix to upper triangular matrix and find the values of x, y and z by back substitution. Now for this method, let us consider the system of equations a11x plus a12y plus a13z is equal to b1, a21x plus a22y plus a23z is equal to b2, a31x plus a32y plus a33z is equal to b3. So this is the given set of linear simultaneous equations which can be written as Ax is equal to b. So name them as equation 1 and 2. Now where A is equal to, this is a coefficient matrix, x is equal to x, y, z and b is equal to b1, b2, b3. Now Gauss-Jordan method consists in reducing the coefficient matrix A to a diagonal matrix. Now the augmented matrix is A colon B is equal to A11, A12, A13 colon B1, A21, A22, A23 colon B2, A31, A32, A33 colon B3 and mark it as equation 3. Now the method consists of the following steps. Step 1. Now here we are using A11 not equal to 0 and make the element A21 and A31 to 0 using elementary row transformation. Now here we have used A11 and made A21 and A31 to 0, where it reduces to A11, A12, A13 colon B1, 0, A22 dash, A23 dash colon B2 dash, and similarly A32 dash, A33 dash colon B3 dash. So here you are observing the dash, which is nothing but the change in the original value of the elements. Now step 2 consists of using A22 dash not equal to 0 and reducing A12 and A3220 using again elementary row transformation. Then the matrix reduces to A11 0, A13 dash colon B1 dash 0, A22 dash A23 dash colon B2 dash. And here these two elements reduce to 0, A33 double dash colon B3 dash. Now the step 3, it consists of using A33 double dash not equal to 0 and reducing the elements A13 dash and A23 dash to 0, again using elementary row transformation. Then the augmented matrix reduces to A colon B is equal to A11 0 0 0 A2 dash 0 colon B2 dash and 0 0 A33 double dash colon B3 double dash. Now then from equation 5 we get A11 x is equal to B1 double dash, A22 x z y is equal to B2 double dash, A33 double dash is z is equal to B3 double dash. Now then solving for x, y and z, we get x is equal to B1 double dash divided by A11, y B2 double dash divided by A22 and z B3 double dash divided by A33 double dash, which is the required solution of equation 1. Now here are the references for you which you may use it for enhancing the knowledge. Thank you. Meet you in the next session.